Okay, y'all, so I'm a little out of breath, so if you can hear that in my voice, don't judge. But I've been doing a lot of cleaning in here, and we are preparing for our Halloween decor. We are going to be decorating for Halloween today, so this is going to be a decorate with me. I've already taken down everything off of this table. Everything has been cleared from here, and the kitchen is pretty much cleared out. There's just a few more things I need to put away and a few more things I need to do. But other than that, I'm gonna get all of my Halloween stuff out of storage and we're gonna start decorating now. Okay, so I just got all of our stuff out of the storage closet. We've got 3 boxes here, 1 little plastic tub and some other things. And I'm so happy that I bought another one of these last year. They have new ones for the cats, but this is the old style that they had last year, 2018. So glad I bought an extra. But yeah, so this is our Halloween stuff. I can't wait to get everything set up. We were actually supposed to decorate earlier, but we ended up having to go to the grocery store. So now I am cooking dinner. We are having penne pasta with breaded chicken and an alla vodka sauce. And we're also going to have some more bread with the little dipping sauce that we made a while back. And I also filmed a grocery haul today. I'm waiting on my Grove package to come in with my fall scents. Can't wait to open that up. But yeah, so I'm just cooking dinner and then we're going to decorate. Dinner is served. Chicken alla vodka, baby. We're also going to start off our celebration with putting our Halloween DVD in. We're gonna watch Halloween while we eat dinner. So the first thing we're going to do before we start decorating everything is put the cat's little haunted house scratcher together. They actually have a new style out at Target right now. They have 2 new styles. So I'm hoping to get a hold of one of those this week, but we're still going to put this one together for now.
It's gonna help you.
Are you excited, Cookie? How does the cats already know it's for them? It's so fun. Ah, I'm so excited. Cookie, it's a toy. It's your toy. Cookie. Did she fit in there? Seriously. Okay, so I'm going to put this on Cookie and she's not gonna be happy about it because she doesn't like wearing clothes. But yeah, it's gonna be funny. And she's gonna look super cute, so it's okay. Come on, Cookie. Come on. Come on, Cookie. Come on.
Where's the bell?
It was a trap all along, Cookie. It's 100-something degrees outside and I'm putting my cat in a sweater. Come on. No, don't be mad. All right. No, 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 no. Ow. teacher. You look like a grandma on a Sunday afternoon. Oh, she's mad.
Is she?
She is mad. Well, look how adorable she looks. Oh, it's so precious. And go on about your business. Celebrate Halloween. Cookie! You look like a model. Oh my God. Look at that little Halloween kitten. All right, so Alan just finished putting together the cat house. Ooh, it's a haunted barn. There's a haunted cat inside. Cookie! Cookie. Hi, Cookie. Come on! Come on! It's ready for you. Come on! Look! Come on! Aww, they love it so much. Kiki! Kiki.
Kiki.
Kiki. To also start off this Halloween decorating, we're going to make ourselves some pumpkin spice coffee. This says fall pumpkin spice, and we got it at Walmart, and it is literally so delicious, and you should try it. It also comes in the little K-cups for your Keurig. Okay, question. Am I the only one that loves the sound of a coffee pot brewing coffee? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you like the sound of it? All right, so we have everything out that we're going to decorate with, and we just need to figure out where we're gonna put it. So we've got all this here, and then we have more down here. I literally almost just fell off the chair. But anyways, so we're taking a break because we're trying to just figure out a new setup for all of this stuff. We're gonna try to do things a little differently this year because we usually put it in the same exact places every year. And then we're also thinking about, a lot of places haven't put all of their Halloween stuff out yet, like Target and Walmart, so we're still gonna be doing some more shopping for Halloween stuff, and it's making us a little nervous. You like my Halloween hat? I am a witch. Anyways, yeah. So something really interesting, a lot of our wax warmers still have Halloween scents in it from last year, and it's smelling so good in here. And there's so many things we forgot we had. Like I forgot I had this. I forgot about a lot of this stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited to put everything up and see what it's gonna look like. Okay, y'all, so we just got done decorating, and I just wanted to give you guys like a quick overview look of what it looks like in here. We're not completely finished. There's a few other touches we need to add in. So there will definitely be another video coming soon, but I just wanted to do a little decorate with me video and show you guys what we did so far. And I also want to let you guys know that there will be a Halloween spooktacular video coming soon after everything is finished. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I didn't film that much. Kind of got a little frustrating while we were decorating. Hope you guys enjoy this regardless, and look forward to the complete Halloween video coming soon.